Hi guys, let's make these delicious orange flavored cinnamon rolls. In a bowl, add 2¼ teaspoons of dry active yeast, a quarter cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of warm milk. Whisk that together until the yeast and sugar dissolves. Set aside and let it bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. The yeast should be frothy on top. Then to the yeast mixture, add a quarter cup of macadamia oil or any oil of your choice and then whisk. Then add 1 egg and whisk that in. Add half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice and whisk that together until they are all well combined. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix it in. Then add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Add half at a time as you whisk it in. Work that in until it's combined to form a shaggy dough. Use your hands to knead the dough until it's well combined. You can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer if you prefer. Dust the surface with some flour and transfer the dough to the surface. Knead the dough until it's completely worked for about 5 to 10 minutes. A fully kneaded dough will hold its shape and it will look smooth on top, and then it will be slightly tacky, and when touched it will bounce back. If you press the dough and it remains inside like it doesn't bounce back, keep kneading the dough until it's fully kneaded. Grease the dough and the mixing bowl with oil and then cover it for about 1 to 1½ hours to rise. As the dough rises, let's make the filling. You will need half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of light brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Mix that together until it's well combined. Then for some zesty flavor, we will add some orange zest and then mix it in until it's well combined. Set that aside. Once the dough is fully proofed and it has doubled in size, punch it to remove the air. Transfer it to a lightly dusted surface and roll it out. Roll the dough to form a rectangle. Make sure the dough is about the same size. Evenly spread the mixture on the top surface of the dough. You can choose to add the filling ingredients individually by first spreading the butter on the dough, then you spread the brown sugar and the cinnamon, and then the orange zest finally. Make sure the dough is evenly coated with the filling and then roll it up. Take your time and make sure it's tightly rolled. Once you're done, tuck the end and also the ends of the roll. Divide the dough into 10 equal portions. Grease the casserole you're going to use to bake with some oil and then add the cinnamon rolls. Cover the baking tray with a cling film and a kitchen towel and let it proof for 40 to 50 minutes. Once they are fully proofed, bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top of the cinnamon rolls are golden brown. That's perfect. The rolls have perfectly browned on the top. Let's make the glaze. You will need half a cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. Add the orange juice a little at a time as you whisk until it's well combined. Add some orange zest and then work it in until it's combined as well. That's the right consistency. If you like a looser consistency, you can add more of the orange juice. Drizzle the glaze on the cinnamon rolls while they are still warm so that the glaze can melt into the cinnamon rolls. Let's do a taste test. The rolls are very soft, moist, and delicious, and they have a rich orange flavor. They are really perfect. You can have these cinnamon rolls while they are still warm with a beverage of your choice. You can also gift them to your friends. They are really perfect gifts. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.